This is a very pathetic case, my friends, and these videos for the junior homeopathic friends and followers of mine. The child aged about 8 years totally lost his eyesight. This is so pathetic and so painful case to mine and to all. 5 বছর পর্যন্ত বাচ্চাটা ভালো ছিল, তারপরে এর চোখে দেখতে পাচ্ছে না। And the child has brought from the Gaibandha district of Bangladesh. It is very, very pathetic and painful case. But the cause is more painful because it is due to the optic atrophy. It has been diagnosed from the ophthalmic department of the medical college hospitals and also from the Christian Medical College at Vellore and also from the neurosciences of Kolkata. It is a case of optic atrophy. You know the 12 pair of cranial nerves, my friends: olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducent, facial, auditory, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory, and hypoglossal. And optic nerve is the second cranial nerve. যেখান থেকে ব্রেন আরম্ভ হয়, পরপর এরা বাংলায় গুণচিহ্নের মতন বা ইংরেজি এক্সের মতন ক্রস করে যায় দুই দিকে, and that place is known as optic chiasma. তো অপটিক কায়োজমার উপরে বাচ্চাটার একটা টিউমার হয়েছে, which is known as craniopharyngioma, and this craniopharyngioma gives pressure to the optic chiasma and optic nerve is damaged. Atrophy, it has been permanently atrophied. I am showing you the picture from the brain stem that what is optic chiasma. The optic chiasma is, this is the optic nerve, bilateral optic nerve যখন এগুতে থাকে তখন তাকে বলা হয় optic tract, and the tract is comes at the optic chiasma. It forms the optic chiasma. This is another picture, and over the optic chiasma, the tumor, the child developed the tumor over the optic chiasma. This is optic chiasma or optic chiasm. এখানে যদি টিউমার হয়ে চাপ দিচ্ছে, so the optic nerve becomes atrophy. The child has treated by some homeopathic physicians at Bangladesh, and they have tried their best. But once the central nerve is degenerate, it never regenerates. That's why I have called already, this is a very painful and pathetic case. Sir Valerian, the physiologist, first discovered it in 1907, and that's why from since then it has been accepted in the medical science, Sir Valerian's regeneration and degeneration theory. So once the central nerves, which emerges from the brain, that means the olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducent, facial, auditory is now replaced as vestibulocochlear nerve, glossopharyngeal, and vagus, accessory, hypoglossal. Once it regenerate, very difficult to regenerate. However, we may try, because homeopathy sometimes homeopathic medicine sometimes do the miracles. The child is intelligent enough, fear of darkness and fear of thunderstorm, desire for cold drinks and ice cream, so constipated, so may we think of the medicine like phosphorus. পড়াশোনা বুদ্ধি খুব ভালো বলছো, ব্রেন খুব শার্প, বজ্রপাতে খুব ভয় পায়, অন্ধকারে ভয় পায়, বজ্রপাতে ভয় পায়, চেহারা lean, thin, emaciated and handsome looking with narrow, tall figure. So physical makeup, the great desire for ice cream and cold drinks, and the mental fear of darkness and thunderstorm, along with the constipation. So let's prescribe phosphorus and let's see the result. Is any little bit chance of improvement or not? This is a experimental case, rather I say, because homeopathy does not follow all the rules of pathology and practice of medicines. We have seen sometimes our medicines can does a miracle. তোমার বাচ্চাকে আরোগ্যের জন্য যত সম্ভব চেষ্টা করছি, দেখা যাক উপরওয়ালা কতটা কি সাহায্য করেন আমাদের।